Hello and welcome back, guys. This is Ibrahim Qureshi here. So I am going to quickly show you what I have been working on. So let's move this. So basically I have a SDDC manager, so VCF installer here now, and I'm trying to install using the holodeck. So as you can see here, it's waiting, and it's like quite a few attempts have been done, and VMware Depot download activation code format is invalid. So if you look at online now, we have two things. There is no longer generate token. We need to go to the Broadcom website, and then we need to create an activation code. The activation code is obviously not the download token. It's the new thing which is only available from version 9.1. So what are we going to do here is basically we follow the instructions which are here. Connect to an online depot. I have got the holodeck running here, and it's basically um, successful so far. So what we are going to do now is quickly go and connect. So I'm using web top here, and I'm able to connect to the management interface, which is the VCF installer interface. So we are going to follow the instructions which will be here to connect the VCF installer to Broadcom or the offline depot. So at the moment we are going to connect to the online depot. So we are connected to the VCF installer. Click depot settings and binary management under online depot and configure. So that's what we are going to do. Yeah, let's try and reduce this. Okay, and what are we doing next is click depot settings and binary management, which we have done. Under online depot, click configure. And then there you go, we have a token generated here, download service, so we will use that. And over here on my other screen, let me try and attach this tab here. Oh no, I can't do that. Okay, so basically this is the another access which I got after becoming a V-expert and passing my exam. So this portal will allow you to, you know, enable all this. So you can see I'm in the tenant management. That's my user ID, Ibrahim at cloudpunch.co.uk. And this is the entire license management portal. Yeah. So what we are going to do is go home, and then we are going to go register software depot, generate, and then I'm going to put this UUID which we just got here, download service ID, which is copy, and then right here. Nope, that's the wrong one. I can't copy it, so because I'm on a laptop, so I need to use this feature, clipboard, paste. Nope, that's wrong. Copied, paste. So copy. So there you go, it's copied there, and then we copy from there, and then I think we need to get back here and paste it here. There you go. So basically I'm going to delete this anyway after this is done. So this is just for showing you guys how to create it. Software depot name, I'm going to give Nook. Okay, now I got an activation key. I am copying that. Our activation key is copied. Just want to stick these things here as well. Delete and reset all my download tokens and everything. Because yeah, it's been exposed here. That's fine. I will reset all of them. So I'm going to pause the video and then activate this, and then we'll come back.